Hey everyone, my name is Jeffrey. My name is also part of my band, Jeffrey and Joy Pilots. I'm really happy to be here at the HeartH Star Festival, and big thank you to Stella and her crew and all the hard work that they put into it. My debut album, Jewel in the Mud, you can listen to it on Spotify. You can hang out with me every morning, 7:30 on Facebook at Satsang Yoga Charleston. We hang out for an hour and we meditate and we talk about important things like prioritizing your joy, manifesting your dreams, and like that. This is my sound check. I hope you enjoy the whole HeartH Star Festival. And this is song of the same name of the album, which is Jewel in the Mud. Julia Butterfly lived in a tree. Over 2 years in a bucket, she pooped and she peed. She did it for you and me to learn how to be free, to save ourselves by not cutting down all the trees. I went to the gym before I taught the class, as a yoga class, to check my teeth and hair and look at my ass. I went to dry my hands after I washed them. I'm so vain that I didn't realize that a tree and paper towel were the same. You better go back, repeat. You didn't see. Stuck in your mind, you left behind something sweet. A jewel in the mud, you're a lotus flower, love shower. Go back, repeat. She's a saint who's known for giving hugs. Millions queue up to get just a moment of her love. Feeling ill, my wife went to the acupuncturist. She said the cure is simple. You need to touch me more. Well, you better go back, repeat. You didn't see. Stuck in your mind, you left behind something sweet. A jewel in the mud, you're a lotus flower, a love shower. Go back, repeat. Better go back, repeat. You didn't see. Intelligence and service to insanity. Well, the wisdom of sages is on the pages of our heart. That's the only place to start.